Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 14-inch or 37cm square canvas, and I'm going to do a dirty pour. It has a bit of black on there for a base coat, and I have red, white, black, yellow, a pale green and grey. So I might start off with the grey because it's first in, last out, and that'll be okay. One, a bit of yellow, that'll be nice. Some red. Always helps if people can see what I'm doing. And a bit of black. And some of this white. Now, the last of the green, all of it I think. Out you come. That's it. And we just start again. Red and grey always look nice together, I think. Yellow, red, white. It's rather a large jug, so I'm pretty sure I'll have enough here now. And I'm just going to do that. And I think a straight pour, straight in the middle. Here we go. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More. I usually lose the yellow. Look at that, it's taking over. So I'm going to fix this problem up. I don't want that much yellow on there. Not at all. So I'm going to do this. And a bit of green maybe, get the last of it out, mix a bit of black. And some white. I think this is not going to be very good. I shall see in a minute. Maybe just do that. Far too much yellow. I'll just cover the canvas and then see about getting it off. That was a bit of a disappointment. And one lucky last corner here. There we go, come on, come on. Right. Well, it's not totally lost, I don't think. So, maybe if I swipe it. What a shame. But it's not doing exactly what I wanted. It's not doing anything at all. At least I lost the yellow. Yep, I'm going to swipe it. So I will swipe with white, I think. And some red. left. May as well use it all up. Had a green in here, so out it comes too. That'll be a nice swipe. Bit of black. Can't go wrong with a bit of black. Okay. Now, what's in there? Some more of something black. May as well. Right, I'll just wipe my hands off and get it clogged. And just wipe with white. Help me. Which way? Across the top and down, eh? Right. This one is going to be interesting. I actually quite like that I'm looking at now. But I am going to swipe it. There she is, coming alive now. Right. Whoa. I just do a little bit up here to get this white. That's it. Wow. Right, I'm going to wipe my hands and then I'm going to torch it. That is really coming up nice. Torch. Cells galore. That top there is very interesting, but that's where I went like that, but that's, I'm just going to leave it. I think that's just lovely, and the cells are still growing. So just get some of this paint off from underneath. You can see them growing right before your eyes. What I'm going to do is bring you down to have a look. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Put the little bell next to that word and you'll be notified as I put up videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate getting the thumbs up. It helps YouTube to position the videos. That's what I was looking at. It's very pretty. Try to keep the shadow off from the camera. Yes, this is a very nice one. This is a keeper. Lots and lots of cells, millions of them. So really, that red and yellow one's really pretty. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Click on to the link to Australia Art Dreaming. Come and join us over there at the Facebook page. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.